Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to EA Sports. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Nice defensive robbery on that. Team Kazakhstan's in now. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Quick feed to Hischier. Hammers it on net, turns it aside. Kazakhstan's working the transition through the middle of the ice. Moves it around along the half wall. Blocker save! Team Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. Here's a short pass to Hischier. Here's a shot. Easily turned away by the goaltender with the glove. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, I won't complain. Good read by the way out. Big time stop there. Big save by the goaltender once again.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Switzerland's won the faceoff. Quick pass to Mueller. Mueller's playing it along the line. Tees it up from the back end. Scores! It looks like it may have gone off a skate there.
I think it did, James. It looks like that puck goes to the front, hits his foot, and goes into the net. Oh, that's a bad bounce there, James. The puck bounces in off the defender's skate. Can't really do much about that.
Team Switzerland's got a 1-0 lead, and they've got their crowd on their feet here.
Early on, the entertainment is here. Early lead for the home team, the first goal in the first 5 minutes, and now you push for another. Berchi's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Denied by the goaltender. Big stop by the keeper.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Haas has won the draw. Puts it on net with the stop. Switzerland's offense is off to a good start here in the early goings. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carries it across the line. Here's a shot, and that one's stopped. Takes that pass back at the point. Great save with the stick.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it, and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Takes a shot. Glove save, and he handles it with ease. Team Switzerland's had the shot advantages, and they also have the lead. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Here's a pass down low. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Back to the blue line. Great glove save. Switzerland's been the better team to this point, and the stats show it. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Big-time save on a big-time shot. With possession along the wall. And now he moves it to Suter. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes a shot. Makes the save. And now it's grabbed by Kukin. Team Kazakhstan's got possession here in the offensive zone.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
We're still in the early stages of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Slides the puck over. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Along the half wall with the puck. Kazakhstan's ready to go on the attack. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. Sends a pass over. Centered out in front. And the officials will pass the sentence here. Yossi's getting called for 2 minutes here by the officials.
Even though he's going to argue this, I mean, there's nothing to argue about. His stick gets across the player's midsection. It's a penalty.
Team Kazakhstan sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, what a great opportunity for them here. Trailing by a goal, you got a chance to even it up, and you've got the man advantage.
Kazakhstan's got it now. Gets it out of his own end. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And that's broken up. And manages to clear the zone. Comes out to play the puck. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Lets it go. Just wide of the net. Moves it around along the half wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Handles it again. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 1-0 the score. Heischer's won possession. Grabs the puck here in their own end. Into the corner. Throws it on goal. And he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
Takes the feed. And a big kill keeps the 1-goal lead intact. We're back to even strength.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, isn't it? A chance to tie. They don't cash in, and now we're back to 5-on-5.
Stopped by the goaltender. Moves the puck. Makes his presence known on the ice. On the attack along the boards. Team Switzerland's got control of it now from their own end. Moves it to Merchi. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And now he tries to get it across to Weber. Here's a blast. And the official stops the play as somebody's off to the sin bin. A little too much nasty in the eyes of the official on that hit, charging the call, Ray.
I think there should be more charging penalties. You travel 35 or 40 feet to hit somebody, that should be a charging penalty.
And the power play unit takes to the ice their first chance to try to make something happen in this game.
Here's their first power play of the night, James, and they can be patient on it. They want to get the good shot, not just start firing puck after puck at the net.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Slides the puck down low. Slides the puck down low. Now a quick pass to Yossi. And now he angles it across to Spiza. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Switzerland's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Niederreiter's picking up momentum through center. Niederreiter's got it in the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Niederreiter. Lets it go. Scores! Power play goal!
Critical for them to get on the board with the extra man. They move the puck well, and they're able to capitalize. Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Team Switzerland's got some breathing room now with 2/3 of this opening frame played through. They lead by 2.
You can use all of your bench now. You've got a couple of goal lead, but don't back off. Still stay aggressive.
Good hit to bump him off the puck. Mueller's got it across the line. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Denies him with a save. Past the midway mark in this period. Switzerland's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. And now it's over to Mueller. Right in the slot. Lets it fly. And he comes up with it. With the puck under siege. Can he get out of the zone here? Great reflexes. Another save.
Oh, he's on it there. Both saves are really good ones.
Covers up on the play. The goaltender finally gets the much-needed whistle.
It's about time. That looks like a fire drill out there.
And breathe out there.
He tried to go right up under the bar there, but that is a quick glove save. Really nice.
Team Switzerland's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Mulligan's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. He scores! Well, when it rains, it pours!
Man, they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. You hope this play will work like this. You get a face-off win. It's a quick shot, and it beats the goaltender.
Switzerland's taken full advantage of their scoring opportunities with a comfortable lead here in the first. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. With possession along the wall. He says, let's get physical on that play. Grabs it in his own end. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play. Team Switzerland's had an amazing start. They've been on the body, they've got the lead, and they look like they're carrying the play.
Team Switzerland's been the better team here in this first period, and as a result, they've got a big lead. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Tape-to-tape pass is center. Great pass from off the right side. Suter's got it against the boards. Scoops up the puck now. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Shot makes a save. Cool and calm under pressure. Takes it across the blue line. Can't get it to go. Puck grabbed by Yossi. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's the pass. Knocked away. Puck exits the zone. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Switzerland's offense has been on fire to start this one, and still lots of time left in the first. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
The power play unit goes right back to work.
Once you get a power play goal early in a game, you start to feel pretty good about yourself. Now you get another opportunity. You feel like you're going to score for sure.
14 minutes, 27 seconds.
With some momentum driving towards the net. Oh, what a stop! Beardshe's got control of the puck in the corner. Tried the corner, but it goes off the side of the net. Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Wrist shot from the slot. Glove save! Quick reflexes.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Team Switzerland's taken full advantage of their scoring opportunities with a comfortable lead here in the first. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Stopped by the goaltender. Puck scooped up by Beardshe, and he slides it quickly to Weber. Across the point. Way off target. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Switzerland's been the better team here in this first period, and as a result, they've got a big lead. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Mulligan. Too much congestion blocks the shot. A chance to get it out of the defensive zone. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
With the blast, just wide.
They say it's a game of inches. James, if that puck is a couple of inches to the side, that hits the post and goes in. It doesn't really matter that the power play didn't score. They've got such a nice lead. But I'll tell you, as a guy that made a living on the power play, I wanted to score every time I was out there.
Nice pass. Takes the feed. Pass back to the point. Quick feed to Hischier. Takes the feed at center and moves up ahead. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Great glove save! Team Switzerland's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Here's a chance, and there's the save. Up along the wing. Here's a short pass to Haas. Puts it on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Switzerland's been the better team here in the late stages of this first period. More shots, more goals. Simple as that. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Quick feed down low. Sends it down low. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Off target. Puts the puck on net. Comes up with the stop. Team Switzerland's offense has been shining brightly so far in this first period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Takes a bump and loses control of the puck. And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Through center along the wing. Handles the pass from the right wing. Takes a shot. Big time stop with the glove. Switzerland's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Team Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. And we'll get a stoppage on the ice here.
The puck sails down to the far end of the ice, so go back to the defensive zone and try it again.
Switzerland's been the better team here in the late stages of this first period. More shots, more goals. Simple as that. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he makes the save. Puck picked up by Niederreiter. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. Puts it up front. Gets in front of it by laying out. Quick pass to Niederreiter. 18 seconds left. 12 seconds on the clock. 7 seconds left. Great positioning in the defensive end.
The coach is encouraging them to keep taking chances with the puck. Try and make up the deficit.
The first period is all said and done with as the horn sounds. Well, this just a one-sided affair through the first 20. 3-0 is the score as both sides make their way to the room.
It's time to support those around us with our monthly food drive. Bring 3 non-perishable food items and you can receive a free team poster.
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. A one-sided affair after the first 20 minutes. Here we go for period number 2. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Team Kazakhstan's had a pretty terrible first period. They really haven't done much right. The very basic of the game is get your feet moving, start to skate. See if they can somehow wedge their way back into this. Meyer's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Team Switzerland's been all over them here in this second period. Just look at the score, and they have dominated in the shot clock, too. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Over the line they come. Slides the puck over. There's a collision. A little bump and grind, but still hangs on to the puck. Slides it quickly to Spiza. Moves it around along the half wall. Sends a pass over. On the attack along the boards. Back at the point, they set it up. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves it to Hischier.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About 2 things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Centering pass. Oh, great glove save. Where'd that come from?
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up, makes the save on a dangerous chance. Hischier's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Switzerland's been the more aggressive team offensively. Look at the shot clock and just look at the score. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Fiala swooping in on the attack. Here's a chance. That's turned aside from the blocker. Great defensive stick work on the play. Couldn't light the lamp on that. What a chance.
Sometimes the puck just doesn't go where you want to finish it. He makes a good shot, but he can't capitalize.
Too much traffic in the lane. Berchi's picking up steam. Here they are on the attack. Lets it go with the stop. Puts it on net and another stop. Here's a chance behind the net. With possession along the wall. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Fiala. Quick shot. Hit that goes off the post and stays out. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a blast. Wide.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender. Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
Taken by Berchi. Into the corner now. Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Team Kazakhstan's moving it into the offensive end. Rips it from the blue line, and the long-range shot goes off target. Mulligan's got it in the defensive end. Handles the puck and makes the save. Team Switzerland's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Kazakhstan's got possession here in their own end. Here they come on the attack. Skates in behind the cage. Denied by the goaltender. Kukin's got the puck in his own zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Puck lands right back onto the blade. And now he moves it quickly to Yossi. Takes a shot. Comes up with a blocker save. Takes the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the shot. Gets a piece of it with the glove. Whistle blown as the puck is directed out into the crowd, and a souvenir for some lucky fan tonight. Switzerland's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Suter's won the faceoff. Suter's lugging the puck. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Here he is from the slot. And too much. It's in. He scores. I think he knocked it in.
Yeah, he did. He's fishing around trying to find it, and he ends up pushing it back into his own net. Oh, he's got to be sick about that. He puts it into his own net. Already hard enough, and now he makes it worse for himself.
Team Switzerland's performance has to have their coach smiling down the bench. Ray, what are you seeing?
I guess he smiled a little bit. Coaches never relax, but how could he not be pleased with this? They're running a shutout, and they're running up the score at the other end.
Simon Moser by number 47.
Puck is dumped in. That'll allow the defensive pairings to switch things up. Takes the feed. Love that hit. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Comes up with the stop. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Carries it in. Here's a chance. Slides it across. And he slides it quickly to Haas. Makes the save on the slapper. Oh, and another big stop. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Handles a great feed here in the neutral zone. Here's a shot. Too many bodies in the way. Moves it quickly over to Haas. And a beautiful stop by the glove.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Switzerland's had the better scoring opportunities, and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Passed up ahead. Battle along the boards. And the puck's knocked loose. Haas has it along the boards. Shot, and that one's turned away. Team Switzerland's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Nice stick save by the goaltender, who got a piece of that one to swat it away with the twig. Switzerland's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Oh, here we go. Lets it fly. Gets in front of it. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes control of the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. Right on the doorstep. And that's picked off in front. Niederreiter's got it on the offensive end. Slides it back to the blue line. Receives the pass. Yossi's gliding the puck along the line. Quick feed to Josi. Moved to the middle. Sends the pass over. Wrists one. Stones him in front. Team Switzerland's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Hammers a shot, and that goes wide. And here's the pass to Berchi. Now a quick pass to Josi, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Carries it across the line. They've got numbers. Oh, what a save with the glove. Switzerland's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Centering pass, and that one's broken up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a short pass to Fiala. Team Switzerland's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. Oh, and a huge save. Oh, he got clobbered.
Man, did he ever. And to make matters worse, he's got his stick knocked out of his hands. Now he's got to go chase the twig down.
Spiza's got it along the wing. Slides the puck over. Makes the save. Right positioning. Looked easy.
Berchi's able to use a really good angle to cut the ice off, and he lays a solid hit against the boards.
Switzerland's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And makes the routine save. Team Switzerland's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Here's a chance right in the slot. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sends a pass over. Great defensive effort with the stick. Handles the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Quick pass to Mueller. Kazakhstan's looking to break out of their own end. On the attack along the boards. Here's a chance in front. Oh, what a glove save!
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
Switzerland's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Turns it aside with the glove. Up along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends the pass down low. Takes the pass. Takes the bank feed. Over the line they come. Right up front. Knocked away. With the steal. Moves it to Kukin. Takes the feed at the point. Takes a hit. He goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Here's an odd man rush. Here's a chance to set up now. With possession along the wall. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Moves it quickly over to Kukin. Rocked him in the open. Here they come on the attack. To his teammate. Here he is, wristed on net. Oh, a clutch save.
Barron's tracked that puck so well, he's right there to make the save.
Lets it go. And a great save. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Takes the feed. Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. He scores! Nico Hischier!
He He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
And they're going to mix it up between the pipes here.
That'll do it for him. Mercifully. This has been a long night.
Team Switzerland's refused to let up that chokehold here in the late stages of this second period.
Total control of the hockey game from the beginning, and they have piled it on here in the middle frame.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Gives it right back. Quick. Slides the puck across to Hischier. Hischier's going to play it against the half wall. Nice pass. Handles the saucer pass beautifully. Denied by the goaltender. And that's off the iron. Niederreiter's caught up with the hook, and the official saw it. Let's see the call here. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the official saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
Here's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
Switzerland's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game.
Whoa!
He scores!
Add that power play goal to the earlier one. They've really done well with the extra man here. I think this goalie's going to look up at the clock and see just exactly how much time is melted away. It's going from bad to worse for these guys.
Team Switzerland's offensive volcano continues to erupt here in the second period.
They look like a juggernaut. They're running into this second intermission with a large lead.
And now it's grabbed by Weber. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Tosses it to Weber. Takes the feed. Now he slides it up to Mulligan. Quick feed down low.
Berchi's able to take that quick pass. He's already got a couple of goals. He's looking for a third.
With the stop.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
11 seconds to go. Puck grabbed by Berchi. Here's a short pass to Fiala. Shot misses over the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
There's the horn ending the period. I think the goaltender's breathing a huge sigh of relief as the clock turned out to be his best friend.
Don't miss the chance to see the greatest talents in the world when they visit.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Third period underway here. This has been a total squash to this point. 40 minutes into this one here. Razor, how do you see things?
Kazakhstan's frustration's pretty evident. They've had all kinds of chances, but that goalie down there has been amazing.
Receives the pass. Stopped by the goaltender.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Ray, it looks like boarding is the call here.
When I played, that was a good hit and a vicious hit.
Yeah.
But that's the new penalty that's come into the game. Excessive force means a boarding penalty.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Sends the pass over. Along the half wall with the puck. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Gets that puck back on a stick. Here's a shot, and that one's stopped. Up the neutral zone now. Moves it around along the half wall. On the attack along the boards. Shot, getting a little physical out there, but still holds on to the puck.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Switzerland's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. From their own end, time winding down here on this power play. They got to get something going here.
Yeah, you got to get into the zone first, James. Get it set up, start moving the puck around, but they've got to get into the zone quickly.
And that's picked off. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
Hey, I think I killed 2 penalties in my life. Looked to me like the penalty killers did a good job there. They didn't really give up anything.
Team Switzerland's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Berchi's got the puck, and it's a quick pass to Fiala. Good battle along the boards for the puck. Excellent stick work on the play. Slides the puck over. Chance in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Carries it in. Levels him with the hit. Fiala's got it in the offensive zone. Shot on net. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Works it across to Fiala. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Quick pass to Mulligan. Oh, what a stop!
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Switzerland's on total cruise control early in this third period. Handles the puck at the point. Moves right to the middle. Lets the wrister go. Denied by the puck stopper. Team Switzerland's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Makes the save. Keeps possession on the play. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Switzerland's showing no signs of slowing down here in the big time. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Big stop from the slot. Another stop by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back.
Scooped up along the wall by Meyer. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Sends the pass across the ice. Right side sent up ahead into the middle of the ice. And they can't convert to the play. Cross ice pass to Niederreiter. Carries it across the line. Right to the middle. Rips it. And he comes up with a big-time save on that. Team Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Through center along the wing. Dumps it into the O-zone. Switzerland's got it from behind the net. Spisa's got it along the boards. With possession along the wall. Team Switzerland's got control of it now here in the offensive end. That was a great shot, but an even better save. Oh, smart heads-up read. They've got the defense outnumbered. Sends it over. Oh, what a save in front. Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Denies him again.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Scores! Well, a little puck luck on that one as it bounces off someone in front.
This puck changes directions pretty significantly here as it bounces off the defender and goes in.
Team Switzerland's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Gets the puck in deep. Now over to Haas. Takes the cross-ice pass. Kazakhstan's got possession at center. Here's a chance! Stopped by the goaltender. He scores! Perfect timing.
Well, they've been trying to get through, break through on this goaltender who's been running a shutout. Finally, they get one. This is the default move for the goaltender here. It's like every shot he drops into the butterfly. He gets beaten clean here.
Team Kazakhstan's back at center ice. They have a long way to go still here, though, Ray.
Yeah, get your scorers out there, James. Don't worry about the defensive end of the ice. You need goals.
Puck scooped up by Weber.
By number 10, assisted by number 50. And
Moves it to Weber.
time of the goal.
Here's a blast. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from? Switzerland's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Shot and makes the save. Here's a blast. There's another stop.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Team Switzerland's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, great core strength to hang on to the puck after that. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Moves the puck. Strong defensive effort. Finds some space in the corner. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes a shot, puts it high. Grabs the puck in the corner. Nice pass. Birchie's caught with the hook, and the officials saw it. And he comes up with it. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Moves it quickly over to Suter. Quick shot, big time stop. Save made by the goalie. Official blows the whistle. Let's see what the call is. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
They'll go back to work.
Well, you can get a lot of power play goals in a game, and it can just suck the life out of your team if you don't get anything done. Not for them tonight. Another power play, James, and another opportunity to pad the stats.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Dumps it in. Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Quick feed to Berchi. Here's a shot. Blocked in traffic. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. Tripping is the call. Did he sell, or is that the right one in your
No, I
mind?
think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed, and the stick gets into his feet.
Oh, a daunting task for the penalty-killing unit here. A 5-on-3 power play.
What a great opportunity to get a 5-on-3 power play. The only danger is you become passive looking for the perfect play, and you don't shoot the puck enough.
And he slides it quickly to Hischier. Knocked away. Picking up some steam at center ice. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Puck moved over to Berchi. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Meyer. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Coughs up the puck after that hit. Forces the turnover and comes up with the puck. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. Switzerland's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Mulligan's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Here he is on the backhand, denied by the blocker. Nice feed from the right wing. Along the half wall with the puck. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Takes it across the blue line.
Even though they don't get one on the power play here, they still have a comfortable lead. The one thing you don't want to do is give up a shorthanded goal. Maybe that sparks the other team a little bit.
Moves it around along the half wall. Move to the middle. On the attack along the boards. Takes a shot, and there's the save. With the steal. Kazakhstan's got the puck behind the net. Back to the point it goes. Here's a rocket of a shot. Makes the save. Switzerland's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Puck is dropped here in the defensive zone. From off the wall and onto a stick. Puts it on net, and that shot gets caught in traffic. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Looks to set up at the point now. Lays the body. Over the line they come, and he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Takes control of the puck. Centering pass, and they can't finish that one.
Oh, he's going to be kicking himself for that. The play was there. He just doesn't execute that last pass for the scoring opportunity.
And he gains the zone here. Moves the puck more to the middle. Centering pass. Lets it go from the back end. Blocked in front. In front, the puck stopper gets on top, but we'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net. Switzerland's increased their lead as they've increased their body contact. They look like they've taken the heart away from their opposition.
Team Switzerland's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Sends it across the ice. Sends it in on the attack. Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. And he slides it quickly to Meyer. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Switzerland's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Oh, and a great... He scores! What a goal!
He's not going to feel very good about that one when he goes and sits down at the bench. He was totally out of position. That led to the goal.
Switzerland's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forechecked. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
And now he moves it to Yossi. That's blocked. Picked up along the wall by Niederreiter. Here's a short pass to Yossi. Lets it fly. He scores!
3 goals. The hat trick's in the bag. Here come the hats. What a great feeling as this place is jumping. Now you just stop thinking about the first goal. Now you got another. That's 30 seconds apart.
I think we can officially call this one a rout now.
Yeah, this is a steamroll. This is over. Not much room over on the stick side, but he makes a perfect shot. The goalie beaten low.
Team Switzerland's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Takes a bump but hangs on. Tripped up on the play, delayed penalty coming up. And let's see what the call is. And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. As they're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
I like their approach tonight. It seems like, on this night anyway, everybody is in sync. There's movement. The puck goes towards the net. There's traffic when the puck gets there.
Now a quick pass to Yossi. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck shorthanded. Takes that pass back at the point. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Comes up with the stop. Switzerland's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Dropped and we are back underway here. Here they come on the attack. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Mulligan's moving the puck through his own zone. And he makes the save. With possession along the wall. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Blocker save, and he's showing up big time tonight.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Back to the blue line. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Quick pass to Hischier. Hischier's got it across the line. Floats it right onto the tape. Hammers the one-timer, and that goes off a player with the stop. And that's all she wrote from this one here tonight.
When you look at the final stats here, James, and they had more shots on goal. They had a very comfortable lead. It seemed like they had the puck and the game in control most of the night.
They looked like a firing squad out there, and the difference was they converted on many of those. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Yo, 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 yo.